My hair is in the barrel. Oh! Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. And I know you see that I am rocking this like kind of fro. This is my hair without product. I just washed it. And so I'm thinking, like, I have an event that I have to go to, and I'm thinking of like rocking my hair in like nice little kind of beach curls. So today I'm going to try this. It's called a Conair fashion curl, and I think it's on there's some videos out there on YouTube, and I'm not sure it's called the fashion curl. It's called something else, but that's what we're going to try today. So if you want to see me go from this to this, then stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is, I don't think that this product is going to work on my kinky curly hair. So what I want to do is I'm going to blow dry my hair first, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair using this, and I'm going to use my my DIY shea butter heat protectant and my DIY oil heat protectant for this style, okay? And I have videos of these, so if you want to see how I made them, I'm gonna link them down in the description. And I actually use them in like my curly to straight videos, so if you want to see that too, I will put it down, and I will link it down in the description also. So let's just get into it, okay? So I'm gonna separate my hair into 4 sections like I usually do. Okay, and I'm gonna start from the back section, and all I'm gonna do is take some of this shea butter and work it through my hair, okay? Then I'm gonna take a little bit of my oil and then get it especially to the ends of my hair, okay? And then now I'm gonna put my hair in smaller sections and start blow drying. And I'll be right back once I'm done blow drying, okay? Okay, so now we done. Let's open this. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like. And it has an off, a low, and a high button. So I'm gonna put it on, I'm gonna plug it in, and then put it on low, and then we'll see how the low does. And if the low is not good enough, we're gonna just try the high, okay? So I'll be right back. So in the meantime, while this is getting hot, the instructions say comb through clean dry hair so it's smooth and completely free of tangles. Work with 1/2 inch to 1 inch sections. Longer hair requires smaller sections. Wait for the blinking red light to remain solid before starting. And the blinking red light is solid, so I guess we can start. Okay, so it says the correct curl chamber. Oh god. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Okay, hold on. So this side should always be towards my head. That's what it says, y'all. Okay, I'm kind of a little bit scared about this. So, because I know it like sucks your hair in. So I'm like, okay, let's see. So I'm gonna just clip up my hair again in 4 sections, like I do everything. Okay. Okay. Let's just do a piece in the front because it'll be easier to show you. And we're gonna see if this is actually gonna work. So I have a piece here. Okay, it says comb through, make sure there are no tangles. So I'm gonna use a smaller tooth comb to comb through. Okay, so we got this. It says this side needs to be facing towards my head. So I'm gonna, okay, how does this work? So you get your hair. I don't know how this works. Okay, so my hair is in the barrel. Oh! Okay, it was not ready. All right, let's try that again. Y'all, I almost freaked out. Well, I did freak out. Okay, let's try it again. Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna put my hair in the barrel. I think it's in the barrel right now. And then 1 beep, 2 beeps, 3 beeps. Oh my God, y'all, look at the curl. Y'all, look at that curl. Oh my God. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm really excited about this. Let's see when I comb through the curl how it looks. Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, so y'all, it actually wasn't ready. Okay, so we're gonna beep like 3 times. Okay. I figured it out, boo. Oh, let's try another section in the front. Hold on. Okay. Let's try just on this side. So I took that first one out a little too early still. I was kind of scared that it was gonna burn my hair, you know? And it's on, I have it on the low setting. So I think that might be too much hair. Okay. All right, let's try it again. So, ooh. So 1 beep, 2 beeps, 3 beeps, 4 beeps, 5 beeps. It's ready! Yeah, so you have to wait for that double beep for you to know that it's ready. So y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and do the back, and when I get to the front, you're going to see. I'm just gonna like show you how to really do it again, and then we gonna just look at the results. Okay. Okay, so let's just go through how I do it. So I comb through the section to make sure that I have no knots or tangles. Then I take some of my heat protectant oil. That is so hard to spray out of that bottle. And then I pass it through the strand, especially at the ends. And then I will separate this section into 2. And then I will put the hair in the barrel as close to my scalp as possible. It will suck it in. 1 beep, 2 beeps, 3 beeps, 4 beeps, and it's ready. And that's the curl. This is what it looks like. So guys, I have like the I have it on like the tight curl, so the looser you want the curl to look, when it comes out of the barrel, the less time you leave your hair in there. I left my hair all the way to when it made like 3 beeps, so that's when I took my hair out. Look at this, guys. My curls look so cute. I look like Curly Sue. But I'm going to like just like make the curls a little looser with my hands. I'm not gonna use a comb though. So guys, oh my god, I really love how this looks. Okay, let me show you the back. That's what the back looks like. Side. This side. And this is how it looks on me. Y'all, I am so impressed with this. Oh my god. Okay, so like I can't lie about this. You could see the results on me. Y'all, I am feeling myself. I am feeling this. So a few things. Let's talk about it. Let's just talk about this baby right here. Okay, so I think if you're natural or if your hair is relaxed, this is a really good product. And I'm not getting paid for this. I bought this off of Amazon. I can't remember how much. I think I got it for like $49.99 or something like that. I'll put the link down in the description. But y'all, whether you're relaxed or whether you're natural, I think this is great. It's a great replacer for a curling iron, because like you just keep your hand here, so this barrel here gets hot, but you use this and you clasp it down and you're pretty good, so you don't get burned from using a curling iron, and it doesn't really heat up that much. You can go as really close to your scalp as you'd like. I wouldn't go all the way close to my scalp because you're probably gonna get burnt, but like you can go close to your scalp as you'd like for this. The only thing is, like when it takes the hair up the barrel, it really doesn't deal with like your roots. But y'all, this is a really, really awesome product. Now, the thing is, you can't use this on like your complete natural hair. Your hair is way too, well, my hair at least, is way too kinky to like do this, for this to actually come out like that. I had to like flat iron, blow dry. Now, if you flat iron your hair and then you use this, sis, I know that's gonna come out bomb. But if you don't want to use so much heat on your hair, and I had this on a low setting, so if you have it on a higher setting, then it'll probably be better. The back, I did the back in bigger sections, and the ends in the back are a little more frizzy than like in the front. It's all in the blow dry, okay? So when you blow dry your hair, pay attention to the roots and pay attention to the ends. Make sure they're as smooth as possible, so this will come out really, really good. I am so digging this, guys. Like really, 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 like I am really digging this. Like I love the way my hair came out. So if you want, go ahead and try this product. I'm gonna put it down in the description. And as I said, I'm not getting paid for this, boo. But this is really cool. I love this and I hope you like it too. So if you like this video and you want to see more like it, go ahead, give it a thumbs up. Put a comment down in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, boo. Okay, now that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.